Hello children, welcome back to your English class and I am Ma'am Ashima and I will be taking your English class. Do you remember what we did in the last class? Yes, we had done letter D and D says da 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 da. We've done letter D and D says da 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 da. Now will you tell me what comes after D? E. Very good. And what does E say? जब भी E को बोलना होता है, when he has to say something, what does it say? It says eh. It says eh. eh. थोड़ा सा मुंह खोलना है और टंग थोड़ी सी बाहर और ह की साउंड भी आती है पीछे से. It is eh. It is eh. Okay. Do you know how to write E? First, you are going to make a sleeping line, small sleeping line, and go up and make a C. Okay? This is it? Sure? Can I tell you again? You will make one small sleeping line and go up and come back and make a C. This is small e or capital E कैसा दिखता है? You know that, right? So it is like this. This is capital E and this one is small e. Today you are going to learn how to make small e. Okay? Mommy and Daddy are going to make dots in your papers. Can you see the dots I have made? Now you are going to hold your pencil and on the dots. पहले आप एक sleeping line बनाओगे on the dots. Then go up and make a what? Y? C. C की तरह बनाते हैं. ठीक है? First a small sleeping line. Go up and make a C. बनाते C जैसे हैं but it is E. It is E. E for elephant. E for egg. E for Eskimo. Right? And E for escalators also. What are escalators? Have you gone to a mall with mom and dad? Like say Sahara Ganj या Fun Republic या Singapore Mall. No, there are so many malls now. And even on the railway station, there are stairs. Stairs होते हैं, उस पे आप खड़े हो और वो अपने आप चलने लगता है ना ऊपर ऐसे करके. That is called an escalator. It is called an escalator. And what is an Eskimo? I told you, no? E is for Eskimo also. What is an Eskimo? Eskimos are people who live in very cold temperature. In the world, you know, we stay in India. There are many countries that are very cold. वहाँ पे हर समय बर्फ पड़ी रहती है. Ice, ice everywhere. So people who stay there are called Eskimos. I told you two new words today, right? With E. First is escalators. बोलो मेरे साथ escalators. Escalators क्या होते हैं? जब आप मॉल जाते हो मम्मी एंड डैडी के साथ एंड यू सी दो स्टेप्स ना जिस पे ऐसे करके हम लोग जाते हैं एंड वी स्टैंड ऑन दैट एंड दे स्टार्ट मूविंग देमसेल्व्स. ऊपर भी ले जाते हैं, नीचे भी लेके आते हैं. दोज आर कॉल्ड एस्केलेटर्स. और एस्किमोस कौन होते हैं? पीपल हु लिव इन वेरी कोल्ड टेम्परेचर्स. ओके, सो नाउ यू नो. एंड दिस इज स्मॉल ई. फिर से देखेंगे. फर्स्ट यू आर गोइंग टू मेक अ स्मॉल स्लीपिंग लाइन. फिर ऊपर से सी की तरह स्लीपिंग लाइन को टच करते हुए. ओके, ऐसे नहीं बनाएंगे कि यू विल मेक अ स्लीपिंग लाइन एंड देन गो अप इतना बड़ा एंड दिस. ये कहीं से सी लग रहा है, ये इतना बड़ा सा टर्न करके या ये लाइन टच हो रही है. नो ना. सो दिस इज रॉन्ग. यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू राइट लाइक दिस. फाइन. फिर से देखो. सी इट अगेन. आई एम गोइंग टू शो इट यू अगेन. मेक अ स्लीपिंग लाइन. गो अप, turn, come down and this. अब इसको चेक में लिखना होगा. We have to write on check papers, right? Mummy and Daddy are going to make those checks for you, na? We have to write in those check sheets. I'll make check and show it to you, okay? Mom and Dad are going to make checks like this for paper. अगर आपको check paper मिल जाता है, you can make them write on that also. There is no issue. I am not compelling कि आप plain sheet लो और उस पर check sheets बनाओ. You can use plain those broad check drawing copies that we have. You can use those papers also for them to write like this. Okay. In this small sleeping line, up and come down, and this. नीचे वाली लाइन को टच होगा बट ऊपर वाली लाइन को टच नहीं होगा. समझ में आया? लेट अस डू इट अगेन. अ स्मॉल स्लीपिंग लाइन, अप, come down, and again small sleeping line, up, come down, and see. Understood? Everyone, you are not going to make like this. ऊपर वाली लाइन को भी and नीचे वाली लाइन को भी. If you make like this and when I see the paper in school, I'm not going to check it. It will be wrong. You have to learn the right method of writing. Okay? Hold your pencil tightly. Make the sleeping line. इधर वाली लाइन को टच नहीं कर रहा है मेरा sleeping line, और इधर वाली लाइन को भी टच नहीं कर रहा है, बीच में ही है. Then go up, come down, and see. Okay? This is how you are going to write E. This is small e. Everyone has understood how to write small e. Now let us do quick matching. Are you ready for quick matching? Are you ready for quick matching? Right. What are these letters? Are you going to repeat after me? Please repeat. A, B, C, D, and what is this one? E. अभी लिखना सीखाना है ये E. Now we are going to match it with capital letters. चलो, what is this? Small a. और बाकी हम लोग का कैपिटल A कहाँ है? नीचे. So you are going to take help and match from here to here. Then B, small b will go to capital B. Then C, small c will go to capital C. D, small d will go to capital D. And E, small e will go to capital E. Okay? So now you know how to do matching. Everyone knows? Right? So now we are going to go on to draw pictures. आपको A वाली pictures बनानी आती है ना? Draw pictures we did that day. A. Repeat. Then B, C, D, and last one is E. A for apple, I told you. Arrow we have done. Now what are we going to make? Aeroplane. Everyone knows how to make an aeroplane, no? Sleeping line, line, up, down, like this. Okay, then B for bat, ball we have done. We'll draw balloon today. Then C for cap we have done, cup we have done. Today we are going to make a candle. D for duck, 2. And E for elephant, egg, Eskimo. What are we going to make? We are going to make egg. After drawing your pictures, you are going to color your pictures also. Okay? Egg white color का होता है, so you need not color it, but all the other pictures you are going to color. Should I explain the worksheet? See, you are going to write your name, class, and date. Then dotted E और आधे पेज पे normal E जैसे लिखते हैं. Then turn, you have matching, and here in below you have draw the pictures. Okay? पहले dotted E, फिर normal E without dots. You have to practice. Then matching and draw the pictures. Worksheet में लिखने के बाद you are going to ask mommy and daddy to help you write it on rough papers also. आप जितनी writing की practice करोगे आपकी writing उतनी अच्छी होगी. Okay? You are going to study. Promise? Alright. So I am saying bye bye now. But you are going to do your work yourself. Mommy daddy की complain नहीं आनी चाहिए कि babies are not writing. Small babies you are. No ना. You are in big class now and you have to do your work yourself. वरना फिर आप नेक्स्ट क्लास में कैसे जाओगे, आपको कुछ नहीं आएगा तो. study hard, stay at home, keep clean, keep washing your hands and do your work yourself. Okay? Bye-bye.